Hi everybody, today I'm going to review this Bluetooth speaker. It's a Xiaomi Squarebox 2. I ordered it a month ago, but it was delayed at the post office here, so I just got it a week ago and I tested and I want to show you my opinion and make a sound test. So let's start. As you can see, it's a pretty small speaker. This is a 5.2 phone, and you can see it's pretty much close to its size. Also, thick is not so big too, so you can put it in your pocket. Battery life is pretty good. It's around 10 hours as declared, and I've tested it. It lasts long time playing music. You can enjoy it all day. Pretty simple design. Aux in and input for charging, micro USB as usual, and power button, volume up and down. You can pause it, I think, if with the or mute it in the with these buttons in some combination. But it doesn't have a TF card input, so and of course it doesn't charge anything. It won't charge your phone as well. So this is the design. As to the style of it, it's very sleek. It's made of metal, so it's pretty well built, and sound-wise it sounds pretty good, but it has its flaws, especially on the bass department. It got an upper bass, but lower bass is pretty much non-existent. If you like bass, you should choose another speaker like the JKR KR1000, which I reviewed in another video, and you can check it out later. I'll put a link below and in the end of the video. But let's go back to the Xiaomi Squarebox. As we said, a nice design, nice performance. As to battery life and stereo sound is also pretty rare in this size of speakers. You got a nice image. As to the sound, the first time I got it, I think okay, the volume is okay, but it's missing some bass. But this wasn't accurate, because it actually has a lot of mid-range, and the mid-range is cover up the bass. But I found out two ways to make it sound better. The first way is to use its original box. And to put it inside. That way it dampens the back side of the speaker and gives you a little more support for reproducing bigger bass. The main reason this speaker doesn't produce much bass, it's a small package, so it doesn't amplify the bass so much. Other solution is to put it near a wall, and then the bass performance will be improved. Another solution that I found which works pretty nice is to use an app. The app called Pass EQ. You can find it on Android, but you can use any other. If you have an iPhone, you can use any other equalizer as app. And as you can see, the method I used to reduce the mid-range is to take the 910 Hertz parameter, and I put it on -5 or -7. It's depends on the source. On SoundCloud I put it on -7 because it's a little bit more clearer. On YouTube I put it on -5. So I'll be playing right now from SoundCloud, so I'll put it on -7. And if we have an equalizer, we can use other frequencies to our advantage. So I took the mid bass, the 230 hertz, and I put it one up, as well as the 14 kilohertz. I put it up. I'll put a screenshot of this equalizer that you can copy and use if you buy this speaker. So let's get to the sound check. I'll be wearing a binaural microphone and use a professional recorder. So if you like to hear it well, you should pause the video and bring some pair of headphones, so you can feel the actual sound as close to reality as it can be. So let's go to the sound check. Okay, so we are in the sound test. I will be playing with the equalizer improvement first. I'll show it to you. These are the settings. Okay, and I'll put a more accurate description and a link to the app, and you can hear the both equalizer without the equalizer and with, to see how it improves the speaker sound. So the first song we'll hear, it's from NCS production. It's called It's Different, the name of the band, and the name of the song called Shadows. Let's increase volume.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom is ours to take.
Slight distortion in the vocal, nothing critical. Let's let's turn off the equalizer. You can see sound is getting worse, more distortion. Mids are very high. Let's put the equalizer again. You can see the speaker is more controlled now.
So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we're more than numbers, standing in this air.
Okay, let's change track. This is called Stones, also by NCS Productions. I'm sitting around a meter and something from the speaker.
I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can
Nice mid bass.
this out. Put your feet down
Let's try something with more rhythm. This is Limitless by Electronomia. Let's increase volume even more. Going to the right, going to the left, on axis with the speaker. Let's lower volume. Let's lower volume. As you can see, the bass is pretty much distorted, but I think it's part of the song more than the speaker performance. Anyhow, if you would like a speaker that excels in bass, this is not a speaker, but it does deliver adequate performance for its size and its price. $30 is more than enough. Slight interruption that was made by one phone of the speaker. Okay. So this was the sound check and the review of the Xiaomi Squarebox 2 speaker. Would you purchase it? It depends on your demand. You know, if you want high battery life, a small product, the quality is pretty good. The price is also good, $30. So Xiaomi is known for a high value product for smaller price, so it's a good option. If you are more sound oriented, you should consider, I don't know, if you listen on lower volume and on axis, it is a good option, especially when it plays in stereo. But if you want a higher performer, you can go with the KR1000, which gives a lot of bass, pretty much invincible for its price. I'll put a link below for this one as well. Another option that you have is the Xiaomi Mi speaker, which is bigger than this small one, but it's got a better bass and a better overall sound performance. I will keep meanwhile this speaker because I enjoy it when I'm listening alone, put it close to me and perform pretty well. Take in consideration that if you don't like high mids, you should tweak it in two ways I'll show you before. And that's it. So this was the review. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you like this review and if you like me to review other products. I'll already review the 360 dash cam. If you like to see more of this kind of review, tell me in the comments below. If you have experience with this product, also comment, tell me what you think. And see you next time. So bye, and see you next time.